Today we're gonna do a new BOM. First of all, we go to the production manager and open up the bills of material and then new bills of material. Here we key in the part number that we want to create. And remember to add in the revision. And then the bill quantity should be 1, then our company branch. Then go to revision. Revision will have the date. The revision date, the ECO number, and effective date we have to put. Normally a BOM will valid for 2 years or more, then you will have to adjust it. Then the author of the BOM, I'll put my own name here. And then I will proceed to routing. Routing, I'll need to add the work center, which is in another video. Here I'll add in injection. The work center, I'll choose injection. The bill quantity is 1 and the UOM is piece. And then we add another operation work center. Same bill quantity 1 and the UOM is pieces. Okay, and then we shall save this BOM. And then we proceed to the material. Add in the material one by one. Required quantity and the unit cost of the product, and the system will auto calculate the total cost that you require for this BOM. After that, remember to add the operation. As for this is for injection. Then we proceed for adding the second part. The third part. Even it have the unit cost, you can still override the unit cost. Depend on the part setup, which is in another video, which is under either last purchase price or the costing method. Okay, upon done, you may save. And then adding this operation number, you will see in bill of routing. Okay. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in another video. Bye.